Hello and welcome to this introduction of our HydroeX carbon cleaning process using the model HX5. Before starting any operation with the machine, make sure to check the water level inside the storage tank. Use distilled or demineralized water for refilling. Connect the power cord to a properly grounded wall socket. Now the machine can be switched on. After the initial startup sequence, no alarms or warnings should be indicated on the screen. Remove any leftover condensation from the output hose. Then connect it to the outlet fitting tightly, using the supplied hose clamp. Now it's time to check on the vehicle to be carbon cleaned. First you have to gain access to the engine compartment. Then locate the air filter box, and remove the filter element temporarily. Start the engine, and check that it is running at a stable idle. Confirm that normal operating temperature has been reached, and sufficient fuel is available. Engage the parking brake tightly. Now insert the outlet hose into the air intake. Select the suitable processing duration and operating mode on the touchscreen. When initiating the process, the elapsed and remaining timers will start counting. Confirm that all the vapor is being sucked into the air intake, and the engine continues to run at a stable idle. Now let the process run for the selected duration. You can follow the progress on the screen. We do not recommend to step on the accelerator pedal during processing. If necessary, the operating mode and duration can be adjusted on the fly. When the process is finished, you will hear a buzzer sound, and the machine will go into standby mode. Now carefully remove the hose from the air intake. Reinstall the air filter element and all other previously removed parts to their original places. Now rev up the engine several times to blow out loose carbon deposits and eventually accumulated water. This concludes the standard procedure with the HydroeX carbon cleaning system. The same procedure can be applied to motorcycles as well. Processing mode and duration may have to be adjusted to compensate for the typically smaller engine sizes. Even smaller displacement engines, such as found on scooters, lawnmowers, generators, and any equipment or machinery with internal combustion engines, may benefit from applying this environment-friendly carbon removal procedure. The summarized benefits of the HydroeX carbon cleaning application include cleaner engine internals, including pistons, intake and outlet valves, exhaust gas recirculation, and turbo system. You can expect a better, smoother, and more efficiently running engine, and therefore lower fuel consumption. Over time, lost power and torque will be restored. Harmful exhaust emissions, such as carbon monoxide and unburnt hydrocarbons, will be greatly reduced. The engine life expectancy will be extended. Advantages over other similar solutions include great environment friendliness, because only pure clean water is used. No chemical additives or catalysts are required. Very cost-effective operation and low power consumption. A simple and easy-to-operate touchscreen user interface. The machines contain modern, reliable solid-state electronics. Overall, it is an easy and safe application. There is no danger of explosions. HydroeX, your partner in environment-friendly and safe engine carbon cleaning technology. For further information, please feel free to contact us on info@HydroeX.net. Thank you for your attention.